A beard transplant is a procedure very similar to hair transplantation in the scalp, and eventually it's done either to increase density in patients that already have a beard, or in some patients that can't really grow facial hair, you can actually restore a full beard in many cases in multiple stages or multiple procedures. Hi, I'm Dr. Rodríguez-Feliz. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon here in Miami, Florida. Usually I do these videos to educate other patients, and today I'm actually going to be the patient. I want to take you through the journey to restore my beard with the beard transplantation.
During a beard transplant, the first thing is to understand what the patient desires. After we have a design, we then go ahead and take hairs from the back of the hair where we're going to transplant it into the beard. The hairs are sorted out in 1 and 2s, and then we transplant it into the desired area. So basically, any patient is a good candidate for a beard transplant as long as they have a good donor area. So most patients seek hair transplant when they have gaps, when they have acne scars, when they want a full beard that they can grow because they have patches, or just they don't have any beard and they're trying to create a certain look for themselves.
Beards definitely accentuate the jawline, which is one of the most important features in a male face. And it is supported by the literature actually that a strong jaw gives stronger or more confident appearance in men. In my particular case, I have a more retruded chin, and I have noticed that with the beard, actually, I can create a more sharp angle to my jawline, which definitely has resulted in some boost on my own confidence.
Patients are ecstatic when they see the results of a beard. Patients see a beard as a way to enhance their look, and it improves their self-esteem and the way that they see themselves. Typically, you can start seeing results in about 3 months after the beard transplant, but you don't see the biggest difference until about 6 to 8 months, where you can start seeing the design that was created during the surgery. As any other transplant, beard transplant is for a lifetime.